Hey guys, today I want to talk to you why it's important for you to have a yearly wellness consultation or maybe an exam. It's really important. Let me stress that right away to you guys. The reason is because you want to know what's going on the inside of your body as well as the outside of your body. Well, it's real easy to look on the outside of your body every day. Think about it. You get up out of bed, you go to the bathroom, you go to the mirror to brush your teeth maybe, you're looking at yourself in the mirror possibly, right? Or you're getting ready after you shower and you're looking at yourself. You'll probably look down your body. Some people apply lotion to their body, other different things. Or when they're in the shower, they're washing their body. So they usually get to see, an overview of what's going on from their legs, their arms, their upper body. They might not be able to get to see their back unless they turn around and see it in the mirror, but you can generally see what's going on the outside. So if there's a spot or a lump or something like that, you can usually see that right away and notice like, hey, that's not supposed to be there or that wasn't there the other day. And that might cause some concern and have you going to get checked up for that, right? Well, the same is true on the inside of our body. But the thing about it is it's really hard to see what's going on the inside because we don't have x-ray vision. We can't look at all our vital organs. We have no idea where some of our cholesterol levels are at. We want to look at these different things because these things really do make our lifespan longer or shorter, right? Because if you have some of these debilitating diseases that are going on in the first upcoming stages or even cancers, you want to treat it right away. You want to find it in its early stages instead of letting it just go about its business and start corrupting other things, right? Because this will cause even more health problems and maybe even cause terminal death. So by having a yearly consultation wellness exam or just a consultation and blood work, you can see what's really going on the inside of the body. Now, let me tell you, you can get really extensive with diagnostics. You can get echocardiograms to check out the heart. You can do MRIs. You can do a whole bunch of different things to really check out every spot in the body and make sure that you're good to go. Now, you don't need to do this all at one time. In different stages in life, there's different things that you should be getting checked up for. And I have a previous video talking about these different tests, so check out our YouTube page. But on this, we really want to talk about the importance of getting the blood work done and getting the right extensive blood work done for patients to be able to see what's going on and their practitioners having all this information at their fingertips and be able to make proper educated decisions about which path they want to go on with their health, because that's the main thing, your health. Without your health, you really have nothing. I say this over and over and over again because it's true, it's a fact. Okay, without your health, you're not doing anything you like to do, want to do. You're not getting to see your loved ones. I mean, your time on this planet can be shortened by that. So make sure your health is number one importance. So that should be your biggest investment, right? Outside of your family and yourself, that includes your health. So their health and your health should be number one priority to you. Because with good health, you can do anything you put your mind and heart into, right? You could be president of the United States, you could be a movie star, you could be a professional bodybuilder, athlete, whatever you want to be, but it all starts with that general foundation of your health, okay? And health comes in a lot of different things, from mental health to sexual health, to physical health. But when we talk about full wellness exam, we're talking about all the different hormones in our body, right? That's one portion. But we really want to check on the vital organs. We want to make sure our liver is good, our kidney is good, right? We want to make sure our cholesterol levels are good, right? Because this can ultimately affect our heart. Everything is connected with inside our body. There used to be a song like the neck bone's connected to the chin bone or whatever it was. The hip bone's connected to the leg bone. This is all true. It's really funny, you start looking back at these childhood memories and songs and things we used to talk about, or maybe these statements that these old people used to say to you back then. And now you're the old person and you're finding all these statements to be very, very true. And you wish you would have learned then what you know now. But by doing this wellness exam and consultation and blood work, you can really see what's going on the inside. Maybe if there is a problem, you can catch it. Let me give you an example. The best example I can say is a PSA, right? And this is done on males because it's a prostate blood test. And females don't have prostates. So you ladies are out and clear. But males, we do have prostates. And with prostates, you can get cancer. And prostate cancer is on the rise with men, right? It's a big thing, and we should be checking up on this. And when you hit your 40s, that's when they want you to get a finger check for your prostate. I know. A lot of us guys don't want to do it, me included, okay? Hopefully they're going to come out with something, and I know they're working on different testing right now where they won't have to do that. But right now, that's the gold standard for us in the 40s. But previous to this, or even as we go on after that, you can check with blood work. And we have patients literally that come to us and want to do hormones or treatment or just want to see what's going on the inside. And their prostate, their PSA, comes back way over range. 4.0 is the usual standard, up to 4.0. Anything after that, you're looking at something that could possibly be going on. Now, if your prostate is over 4.0, don't get scared right away, because some people get infections of the prostate and this can cause it to enlarge, and that's what that number will bring up and show in the blood test. But it's always good to get this checked out. Now, you can go to your general practitioner and get a blood test for a PSA, or you can come to Titan Medical Center. If that's included, right, and they find that this is high, you should be possibly going to a specialist like a urologist. They can really break down things for you and really, do some other things as far as testing wise, like biopsies. Some guys need to get a biopsy of their prostate to make sure that there's not cancer in there, because cancer can spread and cancer can get really out of hand. Some people need to get their prostates removed in general. These are just some of the different things that we've seen. We've helped people identify prostate cancer in the early stages, then went to the urologist, got it fixed, and are in the clear now. And they don't have to worry about any of the other negative health benefits that this could have caused them if they wait or they didn't even check. And a lot of these guys weren't checking to see if the prostate was good or bad. It just popped up. And that's the thing. You can't see your prostate, guys. You don't know if it's good or bad. The only way that you can see this is through blood testing. And that's just one example. And when we talk about hormones, we talk about all these different things that regulate our body in all these different ways and directions. It can mess with our metabolism, our mood, our sleep patterns, right? The way that we think, depression, all these different things are determined by hormones. So we want to make sure those are in check too as well. It's all about an ecosystem in our body. We want to make sure everything is harmonically balanced throughout. Not one thing overdone and the other less you're not really taking care of. That's not going to work for you, I promise you guys. And the example I give for a real life scenario is if you're rolling on a car that has 3 regular tires and you got a donut tire, which is like that little spare skinny tire, and you're going 90 miles an hour, those other tires are probably going to hold up. That donut's only supposed to be going 45 miles per hour and going like 20 miles tops, and you're going all the way to Miami from Tampa, which is 4.5 hours. You're probably not going to make it. You're putting super stress on that one area, and it's probably not going to hold up, okay? So with that, just make sure, you want to make sure things are balanced harmonically. The other thing after that, when we look at sugar levels, this is another main test you should be looking at, a hemoglobin A1C. Now, usually general practitioners look at a comprehensive metabolic panel, which covers like liver, kidneys, electrolytes, and it also will cover like maybe glucose levels. Now, that's a fasting glucose level of that day, right then and there, what's going on. Hemoglobin A1C is a 3-month average of your blood sugar levels. And this will tell you whether you're fasted or not, if you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, what stage you're at, and what you should really be doing at that point. You know that, hey, listen, this is the big red flag. Your doctor will see this is the big red flag. What do we do to correct this and to adjust it? Because this is something that keeps going on and on. If you have high blood sugar, you don't know. You might get woozy here and there. There might be some issues that you might deal with and not even think about your blood sugar levels and blow it off, right? But if it continuously keeps going on, this can damage the kidneys, putting you in kidney disease, right? You don't want that, because that's going to take you down another path of unhealthy living and not so good living, right? As far as quality of life concerns. The other portion is cellular deterioration with high sugar levels in the bloodstream. This kills cells in the body. You don't want that, right? Because the more cells are dying off, the shorter your lifespan is going to be. And the other things that can happen in there. You can start losing limbs and eyes and all types of different things. And I know from experience, I've had guys that I grew up with literally lose their eyes and have to get glass replacement eyeballs because of their sugar levels. And they knew they were diabetic. They were supposed to be taking medication and laying off sugary foods and sugar in general. They didn't change their healthy lifestyle into healthy lifestyle habits, and it took him down. He's gone now, but I mean, he went through a lot of hell and a lot of suffering through losing his eye, and then I think he lost like a couple toes in that. It's something you don't want to do, right? And I'm not trying to scare you guys, but I want you guys to be aware of these different things that could hurt you in the long run, and you won't even know it until it's too late. So, if I haven't stressed it enough, get a yearly wellness consultation. Get extensive blood work. You need something extensive, checking all the vital organs, full cholesterol panel, full thyroid panel, all the hormones, and you can even go with hemoglobin A1C, the 3-month sugar level check, and a much more different things that can tell you what's going on inside your body and making sure you're prepared and educated with what you can do and what your options are going to be at that point and stage in your life if something is bad. And if everything's great, bam, keep on rocking and rolling. Continue with a healthy lifestyle. But if you find some things that are wrong, you might have time to change things, correct things, and get yourself back on track to feeling better, looking better, and performing better. So that's just a little advice from me. John, to you guys, we appreciate you guys at Type Medical Center listening and supporting us, and I hope this will help you guys live a better, fuller, and healthier life. Thanks, guys.